This tutorial will show you how to get Excel Data Analysis tool, which can greatly expand the functionality of Excel. Start Excel and click on the File button in the top left corner of the screen. This will present you with a menu and you need to click on Options. The Excel Options window will then load. In this window, you need to navigate to the Add-ins option in the left-hand menu. This will provide you with a list of all the available add-ins for Excel. At the bottom, there is a button called Go. Click on this. This will open the Add-ins window. This window will give you several checkbox options. You need to click in the checkbox next to the Analysis Toolpack option, then click OK. That is essentially how to get an Excel data analysis tool, and to access it, you need to navigate to the Data tab and you will see a new box called Analysis, and within it the Data Analysis option.